Hey, this is Johan Munnan. I'm the founder and CEO of Apollo, and this is March 11th. I want to show you a demo version of the app we've built for students. This is created by students, and we've developed AI solutions to solve inefficiencies within common student life. And the first thing we've done is developed a feature to help plan for tests, and I want to show you that today, as well as the app as a whole. Got a lot of features incoming now, but I just want to show you the current version so that way you can get started with that. If you've previously joined the waiting list, because earlier it was kind of a beta release, you can get the code. You should have that email to you. Once you have that, you go through the sign up process of putting the code, creating the password, creating the account. It'll get you through a few onboarding steps in which you'll input additional information like how busy you are throughout the week, some of your name, things like that, your grade level. All of these can be taken in as input for our test planner model. Additionally, it'll also ask you to input the information to connect to your Instructure or Canvas account. This is helpful for us to get more information about you, so that way we can, again, feed this to make the AI solutions more customized, develop more customized solutions for you as a student. But also, it fast tracks your usage of these features because rather than typing out the course, it'll import them for you. So just to make both your life easier as well as the features better. And then once, obviously, you created this account in the future, you can just go to the sign in page and then go through here. Now I'm inside the app itself. This is the dashboard, as you can see. Has some indicators as to your learning, so you can understand a little more insight into that. Announcements from our side, if there's anything that we need you to know. Upcoming events. Come up with your assignments that should be linked to your Instructure account, as well as a few other things. We'll get to that. A lot of these things are still rolling out. Additionally, there's a little preview into your calendar, which is still being built. I'm really excited for you guys to see that. We got some ideas there, but it's still in the works right now. And then the test planner features what we have out right now for you. So I want to run through this right now. So this is something that I just created just today. US History Revolutionary War. So I'll show you how I did that first, and we'll go through the plan itself. So what I did was I created the plan over here, and I entered the name of the course. I said US History is my course. And of course, if you have your Canvas link, you can just click it from there. Topic I kept as the Revolutionary War. So again, to create a fully customized plan for myself, so that way I have a good understanding of how to spend my time going forward. Say this is in 7 days and it's a pretty hard test. Additionally, over here you can change some of the information that you put in during the onboarding process. During the onboarding process, I said I was in 11th grade. I can change that right now. I said I was very busy on Thursday and Friday. I can change that right now. Maybe I'm a little more free. That's the kind of thing I can do during these steps, and then it'll save that for me. Additionally, the last thing is to add additional notes for the model, additional context. This can be just your unit. This can be the fact that you maybe teacher grade 6 stricter, so you have to learn more. This could be that, for example, I'll say, I did keep 7 days. It's in 7 days, but sometimes my teacher does it a few days later. So you can give me extra things to study afterwards. And the AI will take that into account and create a whole other module for you. It's very intelligent. It's continuing to learn. We make it better all the time. Don't underestimate that. Try different things out if you would like to. All of that can be useful, but that's for the plus users. So that's something if you want to take your learning to the next level, you can try out. But other than that, you can try out the feature and the tool for free. Daily, actually, we give it 100 credits daily to every user, so that way they can use it. This feature, for example, is just 30 credits, so you can all use these and utilize these as much as you'd like. As you can see, the plan. This is the current version. Again, it continues to get better all the time. It gives you a quick plan outline, but depending on the details that you input it, and then it breaks it down into different sections and gives you resources to study with, gives you subtasks to check off, and eventually the subtasks will be in your calendar, as well as an outline and a description of exactly what you should do to study. And this way, you have a good understanding of how you need to spend your time. And as you can see, as I check off my tasks over here, my plan gets completed. And then once I get a section done, I can mark the section as complete or incomplete, and I can move on to the next section. And I can do that until I'm done. Once you're complete with the test plan, you can go ahead and delete that. So this is something you can do once it's complete, once it's done. You don't want to do that while you're still studying for it, because you want to be able to access the resources. You can store a total of 3 test plans. With the free plan, you can store a lot more with the other two. So I'll go over the plans for a second. As you can see over here, I'm on the free plan right now, and these are the other features. We'll show these once we have them out. 3 test plans, 7 if you have our plus, unlimited if you have our unlimited plan. And this is the length of the plan itself, depending on your subscription. So ranges from 7, 14 to 30, and as well as, of course, you can put additional notes if you have the plus or unlimited plan. You have an agent on our landing page, and this agent, you can ask it for if you see any bugs, if you see any issues, if you have any feedback, and if you want any help. So looking forward to you guys trying this out, for you guys being able to use this, and for all of you guys perform better on your tests.